Our governor's going fishing on opening day in Brainerd, Minnesota, where the fishing is great. A brand new motor on a shiny new boat, and a new life jacket will keep him afloat. He'll be fishing on Gull Lake with his fishing crew. No talking about politics will he do. A custom rod and reel will be in his hand, and his guide on the net for the fish that he will land. Oh, you can't beat fishing on a Minnesota morn as the sun dances across the waves.
We're gonna beat the governor's catch, I know that. We're in good shape with the guide, that's a fact.
Today. Got a new fish locator and a secret fishing bait for the limit of walleyes I know he's gonna take. Fishing stories will be told at the end of the day about the biggest walleye, the one that got away. Sounds of laughter, sounds of fun, sounds of drags a slipping when a fish is on the run.
How long have you fishing for, Jason? We have been fishing for about not quite an hour yet.
All right.
I had no fish yet. Got one. All right, you go. Ready?
Yep. Look at that. On camera. That's a fish. This proves there are fish in the lake.
It's been a tough morning. There's fish. Got the skunk out of the boat. Now we're ready to catch a bunch more. All right, that man. Here we go. Oh, no. Heartbreak scene. Another one. Oh, there we go. There he is. Same one. Another billy bass.